Hey guys, everything like in 2 here, and today we'll be doing fire alarm system test, fire alarm system test 14. So let's get started. Here it is, panel, the same panel, and also got a new dress panel as well. So yeah, see that? So yeah, do that. It does not. Okay. So yeah, so there's a new. We're doing walk test today as well. So there's this little this was just to change the voice for the. I think I talked about it the other day. There was a previous system test where I had this was just to change the voice on the control on the voice card and all that. So yeah, so there's the dress panel. Same panels as always, at the different dress panel now. So we got a Fairlight BG12, and no, it's not addressable. It's just an LED. You can see that right there. So yeah. We have a system sensor 2424 smoke detector. We have a new one system. We have a simplex 492.7 403.9217 horn strobe, and it will be coded March time by the panel. Coded on March time by the panel. We have a Siemens UMCSW remote strobe, and we got the the system sensor 5601P heat detector. New on the system, and it's really old and rare. That's right. This is a Firelight BG6. It's old and rare. There's a sticker for it. It's old and it is rare, and it still works. So it's got some little paint missing right here and all that on the pull handle as well, a little bit right here, but still looks in good condition from its use. So yeah, got the nut seater, and we got the Simplex 404 9101 remote strobe, and with the ESL 523CS. And we'll be also testing the heat detector as today. We also testing the heat detector on the ESL today. So yeah, you'll be see. All right, without further ado, let's give it a pull. We'll silence that. Give it a reset the pulsation. See? And we'll give it a reset. See how let that reset. Okay. Now we'll do the 2424 right here. Silence that. All those silence you can see. So yeah. There's the Siemens strobe. And there's the right now far is going to put the key in the that's it here. Forgot to do that, but okay. We'll get the plate to get all that smoke out of the chamber. So that will clear. So I'm going to alarm, you can see that. Okay. Why not? Let's activate the ESL. It takes a lot. It takes a lot of smoke. There it goes. So that's it by a nuts heater. It takes a lot of smoke to activate this detector. It really does. But yeah. But yeah, let's have smoke taper. See, alarms 2. See that. All that smoke out of the chamber. Okay. Go ahead and give it a little reset button from nuts heater. Okay. Now let's do the heat. Now let's do the BG6. Actually, let's do the heat detector part of the ESL. So here we go. Okay. So now we're going to do the heat part of the ESL. So here we go. There it goes. Whoa. Alarm silence, alarms 1. So, yeah. So there's the heat part of the ESL. If you wanted to see that. So, we'll reset from the nuts heater. Okay. I noticed that this heat detector, this smoke and heat, has a heat sensor. Yes, I know that, but it actually clicked off. So, meanwhile, I was resetting my panel, and it still went to alarm because the heat sensor is still activated. So you gotta wait for a long time to get it reset. So that's why it wasn't. That's why the detector was not resetting, because the heat sensor on that detector is still activated. But anyway, enough of that. We're now I pull the BG6. Silence that. Get the Allen wrench to reset the pull. I think this takes 2 hands to reset this. I'm not real sure. Oh, it does. Probably not. I'll reset the panel 40 minutes later. Okay. So now we'll be doing the 5601P heat detector from the system sensor. So we'll do that. So yeah. Okay. There it goes in. There it goes. Sounds that. Zone 3 resting heat detector. You see, there it is. I'll focus. But yeah, there it is. And just reset on the map because the light just turned off. So yeah. So focus. There we go. I'll reset it. There. So there it is. Yeah, I'm not going to walk test me on our video, but yeah, there it is, guys. For alarm season test 14. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys liked it. I can't get out of focus sometimes, but yeah, there it is, guys. Hope you guys liked it.